In this video, I will be showing you why Solana could be the next big crypto to explode in 2025. Please note that this is not financial advice. Do your own research and the risk is yours if you choose to buy any coin mentioned on this channel. It's been a while since the world has been this pumped up about the Solana ecosystem. For a time, it appeared to be the only alternative blockchain that could rival the Ethereum landscape, as it matched the bigger projects' performance toe-to-toe and even better. Solana was consistent in and out of the bull run as hundreds of projects rose on this ecosystem and eclipsed the development of DeFi projects that were once the toast of the BSC network. However, things are changing pretty fast, and Solana appears to be back with a bang. The predisposing conditions surrounding Bitcoin has warranted a general gain in momentum in the wider crypto market. The Crypto King is currently stabilizing over $34,000 and has even broken out at about the $35,000 barrier. The crypto industry in general has gained an ally in the form of the Bitcoin Spot ETF, which has been approved by the SEC and has become a major strong note on which we have begun to expect that it has led to a bull run among altcoins like Solana, leading to price breakout. Solana itself has hopped on the waves, and its price action appears to be following the pattern of Bitcoin. However, before we consider the future predictions of Solana, let us take a brief look at how Solana has performed in the past. Solana had a pretty great run over the course of 2020 to 2021 and right up to the beginning of the bearish market. SOL was trading at hundreds of dollars per coin. At its best, Solana traded at $260 per SOL as its all-time high value. However, the coin would be unable to maintain that all-time high value which it attained in November 2021. The coin later dropped down to its former all-time high of about $106 in January 2022, and so a steep decline started, and by May 2022, the coin reached about $50. Things got worse for the next few months as the coin dropped down to less than $10 per coin due to an unfortunate incident that compromised the security of the entire ecosystem. At some point in 2022, the blockchain was subjected to a series of hacking attempts, some of which were successful, no doubt, with the last hack leading to a loss of about $8 million from the wallets of Solana holders. This led to a wide panic among Solana investors, and a crazy round of sell-offs started across every centralized and decentralized wallet used by people for holding their Solana coins. And you know, the stronger the negative sentiments around the crypto market, the more crushing the effects of volatility. It was like fuel to the fire of an already existing bearish market, but this time, Solana was feeling the heaviest brunt of it all. At that point in time, it seemed as though the coin would die out due to investors fleeing the market, but instead, the blockchain began to put in some work to once again earn the trust of the average investor who, besides seeking for profit, will demand utmost security for his investment. The issue of compromised private keys, which led to the hack, was addressed and resolved. Hence, the reason we are able to see the coin on a much needed resurgence right now. No one could have predicted that a coin which started the year 2023 at about $9 would be able to reach $42 just before the year end. This represents the price of Solana at the time of recording this video, and it has pretty much confirmed the suspected breakout rally that people already think is happening in the crypto market. As things stand, it's looking more like Solana will be able to cross the $50 mark very soon. If that is its prospect in the short term, we can only imagine what impact it will have in 2025. With the altcoins rising higher, the altcoin season starts and teases a bull run in altcoins in the coming months. Moreover, it's highly likely that the SOL price will continue to prolong the uptrend at the end of 2023 on an even higher and bullish note. Predictions suggest that the coin could end the year at $55 to $60 if it continues on this upward trajectory. That is as far as we can see. Looking at 2025, there are a few ideas that I share in common with crypto experts about how high Solana can go. Before that, let's address a few concerns that are prevalent right now. In the ongoing FTX case, it has come out that FTX has some investment left in Solana. A wallet owned by Alameda, the parent company of FTX, contains about 26,740,743 SOL staked and secured until the period 2025 to 2028. However, the liquidation of FTX is thought to possibly have a bearing on Solana. That has been proven to be wrong. After all, the focus of FTX's liquidation is on the access keys to this wallet, not the actual SOL tokens within. A batch of 7 million SOL and its wrapped version, WSOL, has already been committed to the Solana Foundation. Therefore, any kind of offloading that comes up after will not be considered to be a whale selling coins and crashing the Solana market. Rather, it will be a change of access keys. For now, Solana continues to be a pleasant surprise with a breakout expected to surpass $45 in December 2023. And as we expect a bull market that will span the whole of 2024, SOL's ability to reach $50 could help it reach at least $100 by 2025 if a market-wide bull run begins. This appears to be a modest enough price to place all bets on. It could probably outperform that level, but you should aim for profits at that level. Some predictions suggest that it could reach $200 in 2025 if it closes the year 2023 by about $60 to $75. And that also depends on if the bearish market doesn't continue and the coin plunges down to about $25. However, we can hold on to the positives that the coin price has grown by about 248% just in the last year alone. Considering the Bitcoin ETF move brings positivity to the altcoin market, Solana coin price is expected to boom in the next 2 years. By the end of 2024, Solana might attract a myriad of projects to be built on its network while also enticing the creation of NFTs. In such a scenario, the thriving user base might stimulate the price to a maximum of $100. Solana, in its glory days, was pretty welcoming of incredible crypto startups, and if it continues to encourage, Solana encourages newer upcoming startups. It could be like a new competitor for other cryptocurrencies in the market. This would put the coin back on the map of coins that could outgrow Ethereum and test significant highs. Solana has been pretty active in its community engagement, and there are a few projects that they are embarking on in order to achieve that goal. Back in July, GameShift considered the introduction of blockchain technology into gaming development. The news coming out to us is that Solana Labs has collaborated with the team to produce the beta version of the software. It's basically a new platform aimed at making it easier for game developers to build blockchain-powered experiences on the Solana network. The Solana ecosystem is introduced into the gaming platform as a unified API that handles the blockchain complexity behind the scenes, allowing developers to focus on game creation rather than learning to code in blockchain support. It's expected to aid the development of mainstream games, and with the use of Solana coins, more developers will be able to provide a Web 2 friendly experience to gamers, easing the common Web 3 frictions that can deter user acquisition and engagement. However, the ecosystem is not restricted to Solana applications alone. The tool also allows game developers to use a variety of third-party crypto applications to build their games on Solana or port them over to the network in a process similar to an interoperable bridging. What does this new gaming software do? It eliminates the need for deep blockchain expertise by abstracting away blockchain implementation details according to Solana Labs. The platform enables features like digital asset listings, in-game marketplaces for trading assets, and credit card transactions for in-game purchases denominated in US dollar. It is part of the broader effort to boost adoption of blockchain-based experiences by removing technical hurdles that have historically made building and using Web3 games difficult. Other key partners in this development include players such as Crossmint, CoinFlow, and MetaKeep. The Solana Foundation also recently announced the list of winning projects for the 8th hackathon on Hyperdrive. The overall winner was the artificial intelligence chatbot FluxBot, which received 50,000 USDC. The rest include SolLinked, Eplex, Wisdom, SolSiv, Alexandria, Shaga, PubKeylink, and more. These are driving the development of credible initiatives on the ecosystem and will play a huge role in the wider adoption of Solana and ultimately mastermind an exciting price performance in the future.